Hey guys, it's Sonali. Welcome to another session of Full STEM Ahead. In today's video, we're going to be talking about one of the coolest and strongest muscles in our body, the heart. What is the heart? We see and hear about hearts everywhere. A long time ago, people even thought that their emotions came from their hearts. Maybe because the heart beats faster when a person is scared or excited. Now we know that emotions come from the brain if you watched my brain video. And in this case, the brain tells the heart to speed up. So what's the heart up to then? How does it keep busy? What does it look like? Let's find out. Your heart is really a muscle. It's located a little to the left in the middle of your chest. It's about the size of your fist. There are lots of muscles all over your body, in your arms, in your legs, in your back, even in your behind. But the heart's the strongest. What does it do? The heart muscle is special because of what it does. The heart sends blood around your body, and the blood provides your body with the oxygen and nutrients it needs. It also carries away waste. Without your heart, you wouldn't be able to live. How does your heart function? Well, your heart is sort of like a pump, or two pumps in one. The right side of your heart receives the blood from the body and pumps it into the lungs, whereas the left side of the heart does the exact opposite. It receives blood from the lungs and pumps it out to the body. How does the heart beat? Before each beat, your heart fills with blood. Then its muscles contract to squirt the blood along. When the heart contracts, it squeezes. Try squeezing your hand into a fist. That's sort of like what your heart does, so it can squirt out the blood. Your heart does this all day and all night, all the time. The heart is one hard worker. I wonder why it doesn't get paid. Parts of the heart. The aorta, the body's largest artery, takes oxygenated blood from the left ventricle to the body. The pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood from the right ventricle to the lungs. The right ventricle pumps deoxygenated blood into the pulmonary artery, whereas the left ventricle pumps oxygenated blood into the aorta. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from the body, whereas the left atrium is a holding chamber for blood returning from the lungs and to act as a pump to transport blood to other areas of the heart. Whoa, that's a lot of oxygenating. Fun facts. The heart weighs between 7 and 15 ounces, about as much as a soda can. Isn't that weird? The heart is also roughly the size of your fist. It pumps about 100 gallons of blood every hour, enough to fill 1,600 glasses. The heart pumps blood at the speed of 1 mile per hour. That's probably way slower than your mile time. An older person's heart may have beat more than 3.5 billion times during their life. That's a lot. The heart does more physical work than any other part of your body, so remember how important it is. The first heart cell beats when the baby inside the tummy is just about 1 month old. A woman's heart beats for about 8 times more per minute than a man's heart. I guess that's another thing we're better than them. Your heart can keep beating even if it's separated from the body, as it has its own electrical impulse. Isn't that cool? Smoking is extremely dangerous for your heart, and no one should recommend it. Heart health may be controlled through diet, exercise, and managing stress. So make sure you do those 3 things. It'll help you a lot. Eating dark chocolate every day reduces the risk of heart attacks by 1/3. So next time you ask your parents for dark chocolate, make sure to make this a little side note. Heart cancer is very rare as heart cells stop dividing very early in life. The blue whale has the largest heart, over 1,500 pounds. That's about 10 adults. Anyway, I hope you learned something from this video about the heart. and I hope to see you next week on Full STEM Ahead. Bye, guys!